Greetings once again. This is Millionaire's Mind. Right now, I'll be explaining about the project templates. There are many project templates that are used in a project. In this case, I'll share with you 28 of the project templates. So, as you can see in my project workbook information, there are definitions of each of the template. So, the first one is data. You can fill out the data sheet which completes the header portion of all remaining sheets in the project workbook. And then the second one is charter. This one, have you ever heard of project charter? Because the project charter is created whilst you are initiating a project. It's one of the designing phases. So this one is a mini charter, which is used as a charter for small projects or summarization of a full charter for larger projects. Then the third one is a stoplight. This sheet contains a status report that can be used to keep sponsors, team members, and stakeholders informed of the project progress. And then the fourth one is a budget. The budget sheet allows you to track original budget expenditures to date and any cost of variance. So the fifth one is a CBA, which is cost benefit analysis. This sheet allows you to review the proposed project and potential alternatives and make a project selection based on the great return on investments. And the sixth one is risks. This one is a risk management matrix, that is, which allows you to identify, qualify, as well as quantify and prioritize risks. And then there are issues. This is the issues log. This is number 7. The issues log allows you to identify and monitor project issues. And then 8 is action items sheet. This allows you to track and monitor action items assigned to team members. And then the ninth one is miles, which is a deliverable milestone. This sheet allows you to identify major deliverable milestones and due dates. And then number 10 is a work breakdown structure, WBS. This sheet includes the activities that must be completed during a project, the effort required, all relevant dates, and the resources assigned to do the work. Number 11 is a roster sheet. This one provides contact information for all those involved in a project. R&R is a roles and responsibilities sheet. This shows the primary role of each team members, any deliverables in which they are involved, and the percentage of time they are expected to work on a project. And then number 13 is a RAM. This is a resource assignment matrix. This sheet shows what type of resources is responsible for or somehow involved in with each deliverable. Uh, the number 14, it's a resource commitment matrix. This sheet shows how many effort hours each person on the project has been allocated by month. And then number 15 is A and C. This is called the assumptions and constraints sheet, which allows you to track project assumptions and constraints. And then number 16 is the decision log sheet, which allows you to track all major decisions during the course of the project. And then number 17 is the communication plan, which allows you to detail your communication plan, how you're going to communicate and whom will be communicating with, how often, in what format. And then number 18 is the stakeholder analysis sheet, which allows you to identify the stakeholders, their role and responsibilities. So on number 19, this is expectations sheet. This sheet allows you to identify and track the expectations of various stakeholders. Number 20 is the change log sheet, which allows you to track all change requests that are in process. And then the number 21 is the deliverable acceptance sheet. This sheet allows you to track the status of the deliverable acceptances. And then number 22 is the PET analysis sheet. This allows you to perform the PET analysis on the work breakdown structure tasks. And then number 23 is the DEFI exercise sheet. This one allows you to develop estimates of the work breakdown structure tasks through the DEFI technique. And on the 24 is the time sheet totals. This allows you to track effort hours of your entire team by individual and by month. 25 is the timesheet. This one is used by each team member to submit effort hours by activity by month. And then number 26 is the initial project size estimate sheet. This one allows you to estimate higher levels, like the size of the project. Number 27 is the resource loading sheet. This one allows you to identify the work effort required, the duration, and the allowed commitment level of each person assigned to a project. On number 28, the last one is the project quality metrics sheet. This sheet allows you to identify the critical success criteria, the related quality metrics, as well as their priority. So subscribe for more videos so that you can watch the second part, which will show you the actual templates in an Excel format. I'll be explaining each template on its own, so you need to be aware of that. Otherwise, I thank you for your patience. Good luck.